I'm Dana Azrieli. As chair of the Azrieli Group and as business leaders in Israel, I feel it is our responsibility to do what we can to minimize our impact on the environment. The Azrieli Group has a history of being pioneers in developing and leading Israel toward commercial success, and I feel we also need to be pioneers in leading Israel in environmental awareness. One of the ways is through waste reduction and recycling, by creating a model for business-led sustainability in our properties. We have created a pilot program at the Azrieli Center, one of Israel's largest and busiest shopping malls and office towers in Tel Aviv, to test and refine the best waste management practices in multi-use commercial centers that will be successful in Israel today. We conducted an extensive waste survey and learned that the center produces over 8 tons of waste per day, 90% of which can be recycled or reused. We identified 8 types of waste that we can recycle and that I can reliably tell you, based on the systems we implemented, will reach a credible recycling facility. From our research, we learned that one of the most important elements of success of our pilot project is based on people's participation and our ability to modify behavior. So we have gone to great lengths to redesign our building's infrastructure to make recycling easier for our visitors, our tenants, and our service providers. We listened to our service people, and we identified obstacles that were keeping them from getting the job done. We installed ramps, automated doors, and bought better equipment in order to facilitate waste transport. These small details made an enormous difference to the success of our project. We renovated the back of the house and created clear, color-coded signage in multiple languages so it could be easily understood by all. For the offices and mall, we created dedicated waste bins with clear, illustrative instructions to easily guide consumers. Our sustainability team works hand in hand with tenants in our offices and malls to educate and train employees to integrate the program into their work environment. We have also joined hands with Yarok Chevrati, an organization which hires special needs adults to facilitate the recycling process for the center and transport waste from our tenant's door to the designated recycling containers. Our goal for the Azrieli Center is to reduce the amount of waste sent to the landfill by over 50% over the next 3 years. And we plan to expand the project to at least 18 more of our malls and offices over the next 3 years. We at the Azrieli Group are building a flagship model that we hope will be replicated by other businesses around the country. We decided to do our small part as a first step on the subject of sustainability and waste management in commercial spaces as part of our commitment to educating on environmental awareness in Israel. And so I ask you, what small or large step toward business-led sustainability can you take in your business?